friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Sigma Boy from Italian Brainrot. So first let's get started with the top of the head, and we're just going to draw in a curved line that arches up and over on a diagonal. On the left hand side now, let's curve this line up and through towards the top corner. Now from this corner on the bottom, we're going to bring this around and in. From that point, curving this back down and through. Again, replicating that pattern. We'll do this 2 more times as we come across towards the corner. We're going to draw the rice in here now, so we're just going to draw in a sesame seed shape in the center. We'll do the same on the top, bringing that out on a diagonal, and then we'll do the same on the bottom, bringing that down towards the bottom. Now from here, we're going to curve this line up and out towards the left. And then on the left-hand side, curving this over and through on a diagonal. Let's just connect this together on the top now. So we're going to bring this line over and up on the top right. Now from here on the left, we're going to curve this line around, bringing this up on the top, and then stepping below that again. We're going to replicate that 1 more time. Now moving over, let's continue to bring this line up towards the top. And then stepping down, bringing that through. We're going to do that again, leaving a gap. And then stepping over, bringing this line back down. Let's move through towards the right, bringing this line over and up, stepping down, replicating that. Now let's draw in the shape of the bodies. On the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line down. On the right-hand side, curving this over, ending that at roughly the same height. Now let's leave a gap on both sides. On the left, we're going to bring this line down and through towards the middle, flattening that out. And then we're going to come across on the right and just replicate that. And we're going to blend that in together on the bottom. Now let's move up for the mouth. We're going to curve this line up and in towards the center. Starting back on that center line, we're going to bring this line down and over to the right. Now from the middle here, we're going to curve this line out and down at a point. And then we're going to replicate that on the right, bringing that up and then down, connecting that in the center. Let's draw in an arch line underneath now to close off the bottom of the mouth. Beside this now, on both sides, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for the cheek. And then we're going to step across on the right, lining that up with the same height, and we're just going to replicate that. Let's move up and draw in our eyes. So starting from the corner, we're going to continue to bring the circle all the way around for our left eye. And then we're going to do the same as we move over and across on the right for our right eye. In the top left-hand corner of both eyes, let's draw in a circle for our highlight. Now on the inside, on the top left, let's bring this line around and up for the pattern outside of the eye. And then on the right-hand side, we're going to continue to bring this all the way around and then down for the cheek. We'll continue this as we come underneath on the top. On both sides now, we're going to start on the bottom, curving this line out. And then moving up again 1 more time. Let's just close that off. Now let's move down. We're going to start on the left-hand side from the bottom, curving this line up towards the top. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, and we're just going to end that at roughly the same height. Now starting from this corner, we're going to round that out, bringing that over and in towards the center underneath the mouth. And then we'll do the same over on the right. Now we're going to close off the pattern on the top from the cheek, bringing that down towards the center. In the middle, we're going to draw the strap. So we're going to start on the top, bringing this line directly across, leaving quite a big gap, moving down on the bottom, and just replicating that. Now on both sides, let's curve this line out towards the top corner. And then we'll do the same on the bottom as we move down. Now we're going to draw in some more curved lines. So we're going to arch this around and up. And we're just going to continue this pattern as we come all the way across towards the corner. Then we're going to do the same on the bottom, just lifting that up in the opposite direction. Now on the inside, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines. We're going to leave a gap in the middle coming over on the right and just replicating that. Let's move down on the bottom. We're going to replicate that again. And then again, we'll do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to draw in some more of the rice in the center, copying the shape on the top. And we're just going to scatter these around, changing them into different directions as we come all the way over towards the right-hand side. We're going to do the same thing as we flip down on the bottom now. So starting on the left, just changing the directions of each grain of rice as we come all the way over towards the right-hand side. Now let's draw in the arms. So we're going to start on both sides on the top line here, arching this around and down towards the side of the body. And now we're going to move underneath from the side, bringing this over and down, ending that at the same height. For the thumb, we're going to curve this around and in. And then for the first finger, starting underneath, bringing that around and up. Let's move across in the middle, replicating that. And then again, one more time as we move over in the corner. Now let's come underneath for the legs. We're going to arch this around and through. We're going to leave a gap, moving over on the right, closing that off. Let's come down now for the foot, arching this over. We're going to curve this line through, back in. Let's start back in the center again, bringing this over and across. And then one last time, bringing this over and all the way around on the top. And that is it. That's how you draw Sigma Boy from Italian Brainrot. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.